Hi, I'm Nitya, your tutor at Nityaz Academy. Let's learn the American short story, Poe to O'Connor together, step by step. Edgar Allan Poe helped define the short story form. He argued that a great short story should produce a single unified effect, a single mood or impression that every word works toward. Unlike a sprawling novel, it should be read in one sitting, with nothing wasted. As you study these stories, notice how brevity becomes a strength, concentrating emotion into a single sharp point. Short story writers rely on a tight toolkit. They establish conflict quickly and build tension toward a climax. Many use irony, the gap between what is said and what is meant, or between what we expect and what occurs. Some end with a twist that reframes everything. Others build to an epiphany, a sudden flash of insight in which a character or the reader finally understands. Compare two masters. In Poe's The Telltale Heart, a narrator insists he is sane while describing a murder, his guilt pounding like a heartbeat under the floor. The effect is pure dread. In O. Henry's The Gift of the Magi, a poor couple each sacrifice a treasure to buy the other a gift, ending in a tender, ironic twist. One chills, the other warms. Flannery O'Connor wrote in the Southern Gothic tradition, filling her stories with flawed, often proud characters in a strange, decaying South. Her trademark is the moment of grace, a sudden, often violent crisis that strips away a character's illusions and offers a chance at spiritual truth. The shock is the point. O'Connor believed people sometimes need a hard jolt to truly see themselves. Let's wrap up. 1. Poe taught that a short story should aim for a single unified effect with nothing wasted. 2. The form leans on irony, surprise twists, and sudden epiphanies. 3. Poe's dread and Henry's warm irony show the genre's emotional range. 4. O'Connor's violent moments of grace reveal hidden truths. In short fiction, every word truly counts. Great work. Keep practicing with Nitya at nityazacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.